This is a board that includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functions in addition to Arduino features. In this video, we will quickly learn about the ESP32. The ESP32 is a board that is similar to Arduino but has difference. It is in a similar price range as the Arduino Uno. The biggest commonality is that it uses C and C++, so you can apply and use most of the Arduino libraries. Most libraries, such as examples for controlling OLEDs and LCDs, can be applied. However, ESP32 also allows coding using Python. The chipset uses an Extensa 32-bit. It supports a 240 MHz clock, which means it is 240% faster than Arduino's 80 MHz 329. Regarding the core configuration, unlike Arduino equipped with an 8-bit single core, it is equipped with a 32-bit dual core. This can be said to be the difference between loading two pieces of cargo on the truck versus having two trucks transport them individually. Equipped with 520 KB of RAM, it has 260% more capacity than the Arduino Uno. The flash capacity is 128% larger. Next is the comparison of input and output and pins. It has 25 to 36 input and output pins, varying depending on the board size. You could say it basically has at least 5 more than Arduino. The 6 PWM output pins, which were a disappointing part of Arduino, can be used up to 16 here. This works by designating pins and outputting through spot software. There are DAC pins, which Arduino doesn't have, and it can output analog voltage of 8-bit data on 2 channels. The communication interface perfectly solves Arduino's pin shortage with 3 UART channels, 2 I2C channels, 3 SPI channels, and 2 I2S channels. Finally, appearance and electrical characteristics. While Arduino operates at 5V, the ESP32 operates at 3.3V. If you input 5V to 12V to the voltage input pin, the built-in regulator lowers the voltage to 3.3V and supplies it. The maximum allowable current per pin is about 20 mA for Arduino and 12 mA for 40 mA for ESP32. To perform wireless communication using an existing Arduino, a separate Wi-Fi module or Bluetooth module was essential. However, the ESP32 integrated these functions into a single board, ultimately saving space. In this video, we looked at the difference between the Arduino Uno and the ESP32. If the video was useful, please subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching.